Mr. Modi to the Manipur because he gave the
Reference of 1990s conflicts in Manipur.
and other reference etc. 93.
93 reference that is between Naga and Kuki. That 1993 conflict between Naga and Kuki, today's of Manipur's problem is quite different. Earlier also, our former Deputy CM, CWC member, our friend Grachungam already clearly clarified that by the time that is not the conflict of between Nagas and Kuki. One organization, you know, they have killed those, they have eliminated those unfortunate that Kuki brother, sister. But there is no ban of communication between the two communities. There is no problem going from one Naga village to the another Kuki village. You people know better than that. But now there is a completely ban from one district Kuki district to another Valley district. This is always they are telling lie. They are not saying the ground reality, the truth, what is happening in 1993 and today's of problem. They did not say, they are always trying to say mislead to the people of Manipur. There is a proverb. If you say 100 times lying, then people will thought that this may be truth. So like that habit, and these people are shameless people. Frankly speaking, what is happening in 1993 and today's problem is quite different.
Another issue is in some reference made by even in the US and even in the UN that Manipur issue has become one of the top 5 top 8 issues in the world, which
that is when I deliver my speech today and yesterday also. I have seen in the Facebook and YouTube media, even in local Delhi's also I have seen that in connection with the Trump inauguration, the famous journalists, they published that in the world there are immediate problem we need to resolve. That problem, Manipur is one of the problem. Now Manipur is not the issue of nation, but it has become global, international problem. It is shameless. And also in that report, there is a mention that Delhi government, that is Modi government, is not care about this. If they are serious enough, it can be resolved very easily without further delay. Even within 1 or 2 months also, it can be easily resolved.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.